Do you have what it takes to handle daily emergencies or unexpected situations? In today's video, we're diving into the essentials for everyday carry, or EDC, that every prepper should consider. First up is a reliable flashlight. A compact, durable flashlight ensures you're never left in the dark, whether it's a power outage or a roadside emergency. Next, a quality multi-tool is a game changer. From cutting and screwing to basic repairs, it's like carrying a toolbox in your pocket. Don't forget a portable first aid kit. Accidents happen, and having bandages, antiseptics, and pain relievers can make all the difference. And finally, keep a waterproof notebook and pen. When technology fails, these simple tools can help you document important details. With these essentials, you'll be prepared for most daily challenges. Start building your EDC kit today. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below for helpful links.